Everyone thinks the best-selling home workout equipment is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different.
Product number 1, Etech City Smart Scale. What drew me in was its sleek design and the promise of tracking not just weight, but also BMI, body fat, and muscle mass. This scale is an investment in your health journey. If you want precise insights into your body composition, this is worth a serious look. So why does this scale matter? Well, it has high-precision sensors that measure down to just 0.05 pounds, which means you won't miss any subtle changes in your weight. It syncs with popular fitness apps like Apple Health and Google Fit, allowing you to track your progress seamlessly. Over 60,000 people bought this in the past month, so there's definitely a buzz around it. Here's why this matters specifically for you. Knowing your body metrics can help you adjust your fitness plan effectively. Now, some people complained about the app connectivity being a bit spotty at times. Here's the thing though, if you're someone who's looking for a straightforward scale and doesn't rely heavily on app integration, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're serious about tracking your fitness journey and want to see detailed metrics. Skip this one if you prefer a simple scale without the fancy features. For the price and what it offers, it's a solid buy. Now, if the app connectivity issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Lucio Jump Rope. I was attracted by its simple design and the very affordable price of just $8.99. If you want an effective cardio workout without taking up much space, this is worth a serious look. Why is this jump rope a great choice? It's made from durable steel wires with a PVC coating, ensuring it lasts through countless workouts. Plus, the adjustable length makes it suitable for anyone, from kids to adults. The built-in ball bearings allow for smooth, tangle-free rotations, meaning you can focus on your workout instead of fussing with the rope. It's lightweight and portable, which is perfect if you want to jump rope anytime, anywhere. And with over 30,000 sold in the past month, it's clearly a crowd favorite. Here's why this matters for you. Cardio can be a game changer for your fitness, and this jump rope is a versatile, effective tool. Now, some users mention that the handles could have better grip. Here's the thing though, for the price, I think the comfort level is decent and works well for most users. This is perfect for you if you need a convenient, portable workout option. Skip this one if you prefer heavier, more complex workout equipment. For under $10, you really can't go wrong. All right, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want more strength training options.
Product number 3, Nice People Adjustable Weight Bench. Let's talk about the Nice People Adjustable Weight Bench. Priced at $69.99, I was impressed by its sturdy build and user-friendly design. If you want a solid bench for various workouts, this is definitely worth checking out. This bench supports up to 660 pounds, which means it can handle serious weight. With 8 adjustable angles, you can target different muscle groups effectively, whether you're doing bench presses or dumbbell exercises. The compact design is perfect for small spaces, making it easy to store when you're not using it. Plus, it's made of durable alloy steel, ensuring it'll last through many workout sessions. The bench has received praise from over 20,000 buyers in the past month, indicating its popularity. Here's why this matters for you. Having a reliable weight bench allows you to build strength safely and effectively. Now, some users found the assembly instructions a bit confusing, but honestly, once you get the hang of it, it's pretty straightforward, and the end result is worth it. This is perfect for you if you're looking to enhance your home gym without taking up much space. Skip this one if you need something more premium or heavy duty. At this price point, it's a great value. Now, if you're still looking for something more compact, the next product will really impress you.
Product number 4, Ally Peaks Pull-Up Bar, which is the Ally Peaks Pull-Up Bar, which is a steal at just $27.99. I immediately noticed its solid construction and the versatility it offers for upper body workouts. If you want to strengthen your upper body at home, this is worth considering. What makes this pull-up bar stand out? It's made from thickened steel and can support up to 440 pounds, so you know it's sturdy. The multi-grip design allows for a variety of exercises, from pull-ups to dips, giving you a full body workout without any extra equipment. Plus, it uses a no-screw installation, which means you won't damage your door frame. It's a great option for those with limited space and received solid feedback from over 10,000 buyers recently. Here's why this matters for you. Having a pull-up bar can enhance your workout by allowing you to target multiple muscle groups effectively. Now, some users mentioned it can wobble a bit during use. Here's the thing though, if you install it correctly and regularly check its stability, it shouldn't be an issue. This is perfect for you if you want an easy-to-install upper body workout solution. Skip this one if you prefer a more stationary gym setup. For under $30, it's hard to beat. Finally, if you want something even more heavy-duty, the last product has you covered.
Product number 5, Yoleo Adjustable Weight Bench. Priced at $75.99, this bench caught my eye for its impressive weight capacity of 827 pounds and its 98% pre-assembled design. If you want a versatile bench that's easy to set up and use, this is a fantastic option. What's special about the Yoleo bench? It offers 84 adjustable positions, allowing you to target every muscle group with ease. The sturdy dual triangle frame is independently tested for safety, which is a big plus. It's designed for real workouts, with a comfortable and wide seat that supports you even during the toughest sets. It folds up easily, making it ideal for home use where space is limited. With a stellar low return rate and 4.6-star rating, it's clear that customers are happy with their purchase. Here's why this matters for you. It's built to last and can adapt to your workout needs as you grow stronger. Now, some customers mentioned it's a bit heavier to move around, but I'll be real with you, the sturdiness it offers outweighs the slight inconvenience of extra weight. This bench is perfect for those who want a reliable and versatile piece of equipment for serious training. Skip this one if you want something ultra lightweight for easy transport. For what you get, it's a solid investment. So there you have it, 5 great options for home workout equipment that cater to different needs and spaces. We've covered a range of home workout equipment, from the detailed insights of the Etic City Smart Scale to the robust Yoleo Adjustable Weight Bench. Each product brings something unique to your fitness journey, whether it's tracking your progress, enhancing your strength training, or simply providing a solid cardio workout. Choose the one that fits your needs best.